about how to bind request parameters to handler method parameter. See, I can give 1-2 example on each concept, but I'm trying to tell each permutation and combination so that if they give any use case, you should be in a position to answer. Otherwise, try to 3 parameter, 3 method parameter, 3 at the rate request parameter, end of the story. But why I spend 1.5 hour session only on that concept? Because if there is a written exam, they have given multiple choice question also, you should be in a position to pick up the right answer. Because there are some corner things we never use, but they are practical things. Suppose, for example, if multiple values are coming with one parameter, how to store? We can take array, we can take a list, we can take set. No, I have not taken list set array. I have taken simple string. Then what happened? You will get them as comma separated list of values. These are the things which generally we don't get situation. But when those asked, we should not be silent, right? For that, I have covered everything in all angle. Now, we are all set for mini project development using all the concept that we learned so far. Ready? Code operations I want to do, and report page, select operation means report page. There only one add hyperlink. From there only I want to add this employee or customer. Edit for every record, edit and delete hyperlink, so that I have to do delete and edit operations. This is the requirement. Okay, what is tomorrow's plan? Tomorrow's agenda is 9 o'clock, 9:15, we have a security, how to secure our application. Evening, I think not possible. Okay, next Sunday, 7:15 a.m. Sunday, 7:15 a.m. One more session on security, right? Okay, if completed, fine. If not completed, and next weekend, anyhow, we have OAuth security plus OAuth 2.x classes. That's the extension of security only. Followed by that, JWT classes are there, right? All these are security related classes. So I will conclude the security over there. But I request weekend topics are long, gaps are coming. Okay, before coming to next class, revise and come. Because otherwise I cannot complete the syllabus. Okay, so you have to cooperate when it comes to weekend topics. Right. Right, boss. Yeah, that's good. Tomorrow link, please. Mr. Raj, I'll murder you. Common topics link, waste fellow. From which dunya you people land, Naina? After how many days he is asking tomorrow link, please? This indicates how badly he is attending classes. Okay, let it be, guys. Switch workspace. Where is this? 718. Save the document. Let me open the document. Spring, guys. 718. They're missing one important session of mini project, guys. I don't know. Spring Boot MVC. Tell me next one. Session 11. Performing mini project, guys. Yeah, this is the JSP is my view component having presentation logic. Dispatcher servlet front controller. This controller is having delegation logic plus exception handling logic. Here is my service class having model layer. Here is my repository having what? Persistence logic. Here is my database software. Here is my what? Database. JSP talking to dispatcher servlet talking to what? Controller talking to service, repository, database. Super. Okay, first home page comes having this hyperlink, generate report. When I click on hyperlink, I will get one web page having table. In this table, all employee details will come or not there. In this table, all employees details come. At the end of every record, one edit hyperlink, one delete hyperlink. Carrying employee number as additional request parameter value. Otherwise, how does it know which employee record it has to edit it, which employee it has to delete, right, my dear? Okay. There is add employee hyperlink. Come on, guys. There is add employee hyperlink. When you click on it, one form page come. Okay, there we give the new employee detail, register using service and repository support. It will insert the record into table or not there. That's great. Okay, now click on what? Edit hyperlink. What hyperlink, guys? Click on what? Edit hyperlink. Tell me. When you click on edit hyperlink, here is what? Edit form page or not there? Here is what? Edit form page. In this edit form page, come on. In this edit form page, are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, I'm getting existing employee details. Click on edit employee. Yeah, see, except this remaining all are editable. We do modification. First form page will be launched with the existing data and we do modification on the data. Okay, the modified data will be inserted to table by using what? Service and repository are not there. When we click on delete hyperlink, it will ask a double confirmation through confirmation dialog box. Are you sure you want to delete the employee? If you say okay, once we give double confirmation, okay, record deletion from database will take place or not there. The record deletion from database will take place or not there, guys. Say something, my dear. I want reply, guys. Once again, check it out. Home page having hyperlink. When you click on hyperlink, okay, you will get all the employee details in the form of HTML table. Their select operation is completed. At the end of the table in the report, add employee hyperlink is there. Because of this, what, guys? You will get a form page asking new employee detail. Once you fill up and click on register button, employee is inserted. So with this, insert operation is done, right? Yes. Yeah. When you click on what? When you click on what? Edit hyperlink. What hyperlink, guys? Once you click on edit hyperlink. Once you click on what? Edit hyperlink. Having existing data form page will come. And except employee number, remaining text box are editable. Once we do modification, okay, we click on edit employee. So it will happily what? Insert the record into DB table. That's good. So once we click on delete hyperlink, it will ask for double confirmation, right? If you ask for double confirmation, okay, if you confirm it, the record will be deleted. And listen, guys, I don't want to take separate success page or failure page, guys. Success or failure, everything should come in report page only. Once I add the new record, it should reflect in the report. Some problem in report, adding employee, that error also should come beside the report page. Once I edit the employee, that should reflect in what? Report page. Once I delete it, that should reflect in what? Report page. So that means so separate result page, guys. Report page only, result page for all the operations, right? And I would like to follow all coding standards while developing this project, right? Okay, now listen. I want to take entity class having data properties and metadata properties. That's why to carry inputs to display output, I don't want to use entity class. I would like to take separate class called VO class, employee VO, okay, to carry just data to display only data. Because entity is having both data and metadata properties, na? Then I don't want to engage entity class for gathering inputs and displaying output, right? So for that one, I would like to take what? One more helper class. That is what? VO class. VO means what? Value object class. What class, guys? Remember this. Don't use entity class to carry inputs to carry outputs. To carry inputs and to carry output, always take VO class as the subset of what? Entity class. Because entity class contains both data properties and metadata properties. Whereas VO class contains only data properties. This is the one new experiment, not experiment, new thing I am introducing to you people. Entity class is Java bean with annotations. What annotation? JPA annotation. VO class is, come on. VO class is just Java bean class, nothing else. No annotations, nothing. Okay, na? Right. So we work on employee table so that we can save the time. We can save the time because table is already there, records already there. No tension of what? Creating table record. We can work with. But if you want, you can take I think your example is politician example. Huh? No, in your class, actor example, politician. Huh? In data JPA, what example I have taken? Huh? Doctor, job seeker. You can continue the job seeker if you have more records. But I think I have already deleted many records of job seeker, right? Fine, because we practice a delete all this method. So we'll go with the employee, not compulsory ready-made table. You can take user. But first I want to start with the select operation. That's why I'm taking what? The table in which already some records are there. I'm trying to take such table in which already some records are there, right? Let's start the work. Let's start the drama. Okay. Fine. First, analyze what are the starters that are required. Web starter is required. Lambda API is required. Employee table is there in Oracle. Oracle driver is required. Spring Data JPA is required. Okay. Spring Data JPA is required. So these are the minimum 4 starters that are required or not there. If needed, we can add extra starter, but these are the minimum 4 starters that are required, right? Okay. So close everything, guys. Close all editors. That's good. Yeah. What is tomorrow's plan? Hi, sir. When are you starting microservices? Right after RESTful web service. When RESTful web service? Right after MVC. When MVC will be over, sir? Okay. I think in another 10 sessions. I think total 16, 17 sessions are there. I think right now 8th or 9th is going on, right? 11 is going on. Okay, another 1 week. Okay. I take my own time. I don't take your time, I take my own time only. Okay. After 6 to 7 sessions, we'll get into what? RESTful web service. RESTful web service need 10 to 12 sessions. Followed by that microservice. Anyhow, common topics already started on weekends, right? Once microservice is over, we are towards last sessions of the course. Right. Okay. And microservice needs another 15-20 sessions easily, guys. Okay. Only microservice. What's tomorrow's plan? Tomorrow plan is very simple. Tomorrow only online. Offline is not possible. Okay. Completely online. Link is common topics link. Okay. 9 o'clock security, Spring security continuation. 9 o'clock Spring security continuation. And Sunday 7:15 a.m. Okay. Sunday 7:15 a.m. What is there? What is the topic, guys? Yeah, Sunday 7:15 a.m. Again, we have to learn what? Spring security continuation. Right? Yes. Yeah. Let's focus mini project. I hope you are getting benefit from mini projects, guys. Yeah, super. Tell me. Spring starter project. Spring what? Starter project. Tell me, guys. Boot MVC pros 3 or 4? Nah, 4, guys. 8, sure? Can I believe you? Yeah. Mini project. Okay. Code operation. Oh yeah. Remind me at the end of the session, I have to carry laptop. Okay. I have to carry laptop to my car. Sometimes I forget. Okay. If I forget, if tomorrow class not happened, I will throw you out from fifth floor, fifth floor. Okay. Sixth is there, huh? Fine. Okay. Right, guys. Tell me. Lambda KPI, Spring Data JPA, Oracle driver, Spring. No, no MySQL. I want, because EMP table is not there in MySQL. Is there in only in what? Oracle. What, boss? Something is urgent? Spring Boot 4.x released? Huh? Concentrate now. When released, we can discuss. Come on. Say next, say finish. Mini project code operations. That's good. Copy its content, guys. Copy this. Mini project. Here is what? SRC, main, resources, application.properties. That's good. Say paste. Spring.application.name. Mini project code operations. That's good. Prefix slash webinf slash this dot JSP. What is this? Mini project application. What application, guys? Mini project application. That's good. Yeah, if you want to run this application in embedded environment, then what is the one we have to use for? Any port number, fine. Okay, don't forget, I want to see this application talking to what? Database. So I need to have JDBC driver details, and we need to have some data JPA properties also. Some data JPA properties also we need to place or not there. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Okay, data source configuration. What is there, guys? Data source configuration. Yeah. Spring dot data source dot driver class name. What is that? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. That's good. Spring dot data source dot. What is there? URL. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin @ localhost 1521 XE. Spring dot data source dot username system. Spring dot data source dot. What is there? Password. What is there? Manage. Manager tiger. I think we have to use tiger. Data JPA properties. What properties, guys? Data JPA properties. Tell me. Spring dot JPA dot. Yeah, database platform. What is the one I am taking? Database platform. Tell me. org dot hibernate dot dialect dot. What is there? Oracle 10G dialect. Okay, I think I can take only Oracle dialect. Nowadays 10G, 11G not working, only Oracle dialect. Spring dot JPA dot show -SQL true. Spring dot JPA dot. Okay, auto. What is there? Update. Update is the best value or not? Okay, we are ready. Array, who knows? When I use find by ID or get reference by ID, that lazy loading should be supported or not. Okay, then who remembered? Anyone remembered that property? Chat GPT. Okay. Spring data JPA property supporting lazy loading without transaction. Where is that? Where is that? Okay. Yeah, we can search, guys. Property required in application dot properties. For what is the method? Get reference by ID method. Get reference by ID. What's happening? This property required in application dot property, remember, support lazy loading without what? Explicitly transaction. But this is not the one, boss. Nowadays, that is not the one. Other one is there, na? Yeah, could not initialize no session. Maybe this is also working. Yeah, in fewer, what is there? 2.7 onwards, maybe this is working, but we're habituated to other one, my dear. Okay. Give for old versions. Give for old versions. Why I'm wasting this much time? Okay. 1 minute. Give me 2 minutes. I think we have, instead of wasting time there. Data JPA projects also there here only. Yeah, here JPA repository methods here. Yeah, JPA repository methods means definitely that property will be there. Yes, guys. Where is this? Lazy load, enable lazy initialization. Bring it, paste it. Not this. Close it. Mini project 1. This is mini project 1. That's good. Say paste. Okay, that's great. This is my application dot properties are not there. Yeah. So now I would like to develop the entity class first. All right. Let's take the entity. This is not our one, right? Okay. 1 minute here. Two property files are there. This is not ours one. Remove it. Okay. Where is this? Mini project. This is the right one. Packages are created and not created. Shall we create the packages first? New package. com.nt.entity. New package. com.nt.view. New package. com.nt.service. New package. com.nt.repos. New package. Come on. com.nt.runner. New package com.nt.runner. I think no runner. It's a web application where runner is required. Controller is required, right? Yes. New package com.nt.controller. That's good. Yes, guys. I want to write some custom exceptions, guys. com.nt. Yeah. To develop custom exceptions, we want to take another package com.nt.error. This is my SRC. This is my main. This is what? Web app. Under web app, WebINF. Under WebINF, what is there? Pages. Under WebINF, what is there, guys? Page. Yeah. Under WebINF, this. Okay. Tell me next one. Entity class. New class. What is there? What is there, guys? Employee. Here is what? Employee. That's good. Really great. This is my, what is there? Employee.java. At the rate table name is equal to EMP. Yeah, we cannot take anything else because it's a ready-made table. Okay, that's good. At the rate entity. Okay, that's good. Next one. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate all arg constructor. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, if I take EMP table, I cannot add metadata columns now, my dear. Okay, fine. Whatever it is. Okay, we will go for what? Okay, we will go for what? We'll take other table because metadata columns won't come. If it is not metadata, fine. Employee also not a bad idea. Okay, fine. Tell me, boss. Mini project JPA underscore mini project underscore employee. Some name. Because see, what the biggest problem is what? We want metadata columns, but in existing employee table, no metadata columns, right? So let's take everything from scratch. Yeah, no arg constructor, this required arg constructor. Yeah, the red marks will go off, don't worry. Private integer. Private integer. Employee number. At the rate ID. At the rate sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Tell me. What is there? Initial value 100. Allocation size 1. Sequence name. EMPNO. Underscore sequence. Some name, guys. At the rate generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Strategy is equal to, what is there? Sequence. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Yes. Tell me. Private string. What is there? E-name. Next, private string. Yeah, you can take address also because it's totally a new table, right? Yeah, e-name, EADD. Address. Next one. Private string designation. Okay, next one, private double salary. All this comes under data properties or not, guys? Data properties. Data properties. Tell me. At the rate column, where is this? Length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Are you comfortable, my dear? Yes. Yeah, tell me, guys. Metadata properties. Yes. Here I would like to take metadata, but before that, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, on these having these four property, I want to get parameterized constructor. For that one, I should take what? At the rate non-null. That's good. Tell me next one. Copy this. Tell me, guys. At the rate non-null. Copy this. Already taken. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, tell me. At the rate non-null. Here is what, guys? At the rate non-null. Okay, now we have to worry about metadata properties also, guys. Yeah. Private integer update count. What there, guys? Update count. At the rate, is a numeric column I cannot control. If I don't give column name, property name only becomes column name. If property name is there in mixed case, it become update underscore count or not there. It simply becomes update underscore count or not there. Yeah, tell me. At the rate column, not required. At the rate version. Which version? JPA version we have to use. Next, guys. Private local date time. Creation time. What time? Creation. Okay. At the rate creation timestamp. At the rate creation timestamp. Okay, guys. Next, private local date time. What is there? Updation time. At the rate update timestamp. We're having timestamp properties or not? That's great. Next one. Private string. Private string created by at the rate column length is equal to 30. That is created by. Next, private string updated by at the rate column. What is there? Length is equal to 30. Next, private string active switch. This is useful for making record active, inactive or not there. And by default, I want to see as what? Active. Okay. At the rate column length is equal to 30. Yeah. You come to creation timestamp, guys. Okay. It should insert the value one record insertion. It should not insert any value in record updation. So that's why what should I do? Okay. Create here, not that. At the rate column. At the rate column. Insertable true, updatable false. Insertable true, updatable false. Okay, that's good. One. Yeah, tell me here. Where is this? At the rate column. Tell me. insertable false, updatable true. Or whenever record is updated, only updated date and time should be there. When towards record insertion, nothing should be there. Fine, guys. Default value what? Active. That means by default record will be active mode. So if you want to make inactive, you have to change that value, nothing else. So we are dealing with both metadata and data properties. But do I want to use this entity class to hold the form data? This is having lot of metadata property. Form data will contain only data. Form will give only data. And using this entity class and filling up only few properties is meaningless or not there. That's why don't use entity class as what? Model class to store the form data or to display the result. So you take separate what is a class. That's why for easy identification, now onwards what I do is I'll make this class as what? Employee entity. What entity, guys? Employee entity dot Java. I'll make this one as what? Employee entity. Employee entity. Okay. Now, to carry input to display output, having just data properties, it's better to take employee Vivo class now, my dear. It's better to take separate employee Vivo class or not there. Yeah. File, save as, tell me. Here is my what, guys? Employee Vivo. Employee Vivo dot Java. Yeah, I want in which package? Vivo package. Yes, good observation. Vivo package is created or not created? Created, yes. Yeah, first change the package name to Vivo. That's good. No need of this hangama now. Maybe I need at the rate data. If needed, we'll add remaining things. Class name is also what? Employee Vivo. Here also what? Employee Vivo dot Java. Same thing I have to do for employee entity also, guys. Employee entity. Okay, here is what? Employee Vivo. That's good. Yeah, no need of all this stuff, guys. Done. Only data properties. Done. Okay, only data properties. No need of metadata properties here. Yes. Okay, here what we do, guys? All arg constructor. Nice. No arg constructor. Nice. Next, required arg constructor. Okay, here, non-null, Lambda KPI non-null, not other one. What is there? Non-null. Here what? Non-null. Here what? Non-null. Taken or not taken? Fine. So this one only for inputs and outputs gathering. For displaying reports, this one. For gathering form data into model class object, this one. We are not going to disturb the entity class. It's a quite clear-cut separation of the roles are not there. See, my form gives only 6 or 5 values. Why should I entertain those metadata properties? So that is the thought behind it. Okay, see, industry uses different names, guys. I say Vivo, someone says BO, business object. Someone says some other name. Okay, but intention is same. Don't use entity class for carrying inputs, for displaying output. Keep entity only for persistence operation. For carrying inputs and outputs, use what? One more helper class, which is generally subset of entity class. Which is generally subset of what? Entity. Getting my point there, guys. Okay, now listen. What my intention, in my database, I don't want to store gross salary, net salary. But in the report, I want to display gross salary, net salary. Yes. Okay, that's why you can take some additional properties here, because anyhow through this only we are going to display. Okay, that's why keeping this in mind, private double, what salary? Gross salary. Yeah, listen, guys. While gathering inputs, do you think gross salary will be there? No. No need of adding at the rate null, because if you say at the rate null, non null, while gathering inputs also that should be there, not possible. That's why don't add it. Okay. Next one, private double, what salary? Private double net salary. Private double, what salary, guys? Net salary. Comfortable, my dear? Okay. So we are ready with entity class and we are ready with the entity class and VO class. I hope everyone, each of you got the clarity why I'm taking separate entity class, separate VO class. No, I'm not saying you don't see, listen. Output comes, result comes, but best coding also, quality code also matters are not there. Best code and quality code also matters are not there, guys. I want reply from you people. Keeping that in mind, I am talking about this. Come on. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. You are thinking only towards record insertion. What about retrieving? Report generation? In report generation, you don't want employee number? Required, na? That's why. Don't think in one angle. I'll think in two angles. Yes, his question is correct. What is the question? Anyhow, ID generating number. Why are you gathering this? In form, anyhow, we don't ask that. That's a good question. But there is a process of displaying report also. Na? In the report, you have to display employee number, right? Yes. And when for updation, when form is launched, existing employee number should be displayed means what? When I link this object with what? Form by using model attribute, so employee number should be required or not required? So it's required. Okay, guys. Now listen. Let me remove these unused import statements, guys. Here a lot of unused import statements are there or not there. Remove this, remove this. All these are yellow marks, useless. Fine. So now I have to develop the repository. So let me talk about how to create this repository, guys. New interface, iEmployee repository. See, application looks big, but nothing looks new. Everything is looks known only. iEmployee repository extends from what? JPA repository. Finish. JPA repository. What is this? Employee entity. What is there? Entities. Employee entity integer. Employee entity integer. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. iEmployee repository. Now I have to take service class here now, my dear. New interface. iEmployee management service. iEmployee management service. Now I have to take implementation class. Employee management service IMPL. Where is this? iEmployee management service. That's good. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now listen, guys. While writing JSPs, I don't want to write Java code. For loop, if condition, everything I want to write through what? Tags. So for that one, we have to use a JSTL tags now, guys. To work with JSTL tags, we need to add JSTL tags related jar files. Where you should add? In pom.xml file. Where we should add, guys? Pom.xml file. When you edit pom.xml, some red marks will come. Remove that HTTPS to HTTP, then it will work nicely. Then it simply works nicely, guys. Yeah. Tell me. Here, where is this? mvnrepository.com. What is that? mvnrepository.com. So there, tell me. Apache JSTL. Old JSTL is bad, guys. We have to use Apache JSTL. Select this. 11.0 only you take. That's good. Select this, guys. Here is the story. Dependency open to closing. Okay, that's good. Array, when I run this server through embedded Tomcat, Jasper is missing. So it's better to add embedded Jasper, guys. It's better to add Tomcat embedded Jasper. Yeah, tell me, guys. Tomcat embedded Jasper. That's good. Here is what? Tomcat embedded Jasper. That's great. 11.0.3. Good. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Paste. Tomcat embedded Jasper. Okay, this is also fantastically done. Fine. Now, let me concentrate on getting home page, guys. But before getting home page, I want to work with graphics, guys, images. Edit image, add employee image, everything image. Graphical hyperlinks I want to take. A good practice is it's all images we generally try to keep in what? In web app folder. What folder? Web app folder. Images, JavaScript JS folder. If any CSS is there, CSS folder. Okay, under web app, let me take those folders, guys. Folder, tell me. Hey, it is not a fixed, guys. Any name you can give. Recommendation only. Next, what is there? CSS. CSS. Next, new folder. New folder. JS. JS means JavaScript. Yeah, these are the standard folder names that we use, guys. Okay. For report, one image. For add employee, one image. Edit employee, one image. Home, one image. Delete employee, one image. So multiple images are required. Okay, how to get those images, guys? Go to google.com. Report image. We have so many images now, guys. Yes, let's actually get into images folder. We got a lot of images here, guys. You can take any image and you can use that one. Okay. So for example, we have this. For example, you have this. Right click, save image. Already I'm storing some folder I am saving, guys. Okay, here what is this? Report one dot. What is there? Report one dot png. Already there. Okay, fine. Okay. Array 2 also there. Report 3. 3 also there. 4. Happy? Right. Actually, like this, I downloaded so many images, guys, already for different batches. Let me show those images. E drive, class content, what folder? Images folder. So many images are there. Let me take some of those images. Let's take those images and keep it, guys. Yeah, here is what? Arey, what you will do with Deepika? Is there any related to Deepika now, right? Varastafel. Okay, tell me. Mhm. Home.jpg, that's the one thing. Report.png, another thing. Yeah, fine, whatever it is. Anything you can take. Delete.jpg, edit.jpg. Edit update one and the same, waste fellow. Okay. Next, add. Where is add, guys? Add.jpg. Copy array. Gone, everything gone. Edit, delete, home, report 4. Yeah, fine, guys. Reset not required. Fine. Images, say paste. Okay, fine. So why 4 extra here? Let's take a report only. And why PNG? Let's make this one also JPG. Hey, not compulsory, it should be JPG. Anything you can take, but some uniformness I am taking. Right? Okay. It's recommended to place all images in images folder under web app, guys. Okay, now I'm adding handler method to get the home page. Right click, tell me, class, employee operations control. What, guys? Employee operations control. Yeah. This is at the rate controller. Yeah. I want to inject the service for future use. Employee management service, EMP service. What is there? At the rate auto void. What's there? At the rate auto void. That's good. Tell me next one. Public string. What is there? Show home page. At the rate get mapping slash return. What is there? Logical view name. Return welcome. Return logical view name. Return welcome. Yeah. Yeah. It sends logical view name to whom, guys? It sends this logical view name to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet passes to view resolver passes to actually gives view object. President view object. It looks for what? Physical view component name and location or not. It literally looks for physical view component name and location or not. Yeah, that's good. It basically looks for physical view component name and location. It basically looks for physical view component name and location. Yes, guys. Tell me here, where is that? In pages, let's look for JSP file. Here, what is there? Welcome.jsp. What .jsp, guys? Welcome.jsp. That's good. Yeah. At the rate page is EL ignored is equal to false. Is EL ignored is equal to false. H1 style. What is there? color colon red, text hyphen align center. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. What project? Mini. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC Mini. Here I would like to see one hyperlink. Center. What is there? Bold. Not bold, guys. H1. H1. Here, inside that. Ahref. What is there? Report. Ahref report. Yeah. Image SRC. Image SRC. Report.jpg. If you want to control width and height, you can control. Okay. Yeah, along with the image, I want to have a text hyperlink also. Generate report. Image should come at the same time, text should come. Okay. Let's check whether it is really working or not. Graphical hyperlink is coming or not, guys. Let me check graphical hyperlink is coming. Run on server, guys. Say next. Remove all. That's okay. Yeah, this means Spring Boot is activated. Black color means Spring Boot is. Oh, error asked. Fail to start. Why so? Yeah. Yeah, we forgot to add @service. Because we are trying to inject controller. Not there. Not there. Yeah. Right click, run on server. Say next, save it. Oh, image has not come. I'll tell there is a reason for not coming, guys. Because by default it's searching in a web app folder, guys. But it is there in what? Images folder. Images/report.jpg. Images/report.jpg. Refresh. Image has come or not there? Fine. First part is over. Home page has to required. We got the home. Now I want to get the employee reports as a table content, right? Yeah. Okay. First go to service, guys. See, problem is whenever I call methods find all, you will get list of entity object. But what you want to present is list of VO objects, right? So you have to convert list of entity objects to list of VO objects or not. That's a challenging part, right? And that too by calculating gross salary and net salary. Okay, fine, we'll do. List employee entity. No, first we'll get entity. No, inside controller expects VO. So though entity comes, we have to convert into. Okay, originally entity comes, but you have to convert into EV. Yeah, show all employees. Show all employees. That's good. Yeah, guys. Add unimplemented methods. What, guys? Add unimplemented methods. Okay, stop it. First of all, I have to inject repository over here. Employee repository, EMP repo. EMP repo, where is this? @ auto void. What's that? @ auto void. That's good. @ auto void. Tell me, guys, what is the story to follow? Yeah, here, what I have to say. EMP repo dot find all. Okay, that's a problem. Yes. Because what we get is listed. What we have to set is use repo. List employee entity. What is there? List entities is equal to find all. That's good. List employee entity, list entities is equal to employee repo dot find. Convert. What is this? List entities to list vivo. Convert list entities to list vivo. Tell me. List entities dot for each. Each iteration I will get one entity. In each iteration I will get what? One entity. Okay. In each iteration I will get one what? Entity. Are you getting my point there? In each iteration I will get one entity. Yeah, tell me. Each iteration I will get what? Entity. Yeah, in each iteration I will get one entity. Here I have to create one Vivo object now, boss. Employee Vivo. Vivo is equal to new employee Vivo. Vivo class object is created. Now each entity, now you have to copy the data or not, guys? Yeah. Yeah, there is a direct method called beanutils.copy property. Property names are same. Only classes are different. If you want to copy one object data to another object when they have same property names, we have beanutils.copy properties method, Spring supplied utility method to copy one object data to another object. Yeah, tell me. Beanutils. This is very important. Beanutils dot copy properties. What is the source? Entity. What is the destination? Vivo. So each entity object data is copied to each Vivo class object or not? Each entity object data is copied to each Vivo class object data or not? But in Vivo, we have to calculate gross salary and net salary. Vivo dot set gross salary, Vivo dot get salary plus Vivo dot get salary into, okay, 0.5, 50% of 50% of gross salary, basic salary I am adding as what? Gross salary. Vivo dot set net salary, okay. Vivo dot get gross salary minus, okay, 20% of gross salary I am deducting to get the net salary. Tell me. Vivo dot get gross salary into 0.2. We are going for a deduction of gross salary or not there? Okay. Yeah, listen guys, each Vivo is ready, but we have to add all these Vivos to list of entity object, list of Vivo objects are not there. Okay, list employee Vivo. What guys? List Vivo. Now tell me. New array list. List employee VO, list VO, new array list. That's great. Tell me, guys. List VO dot add. What is there? VO. List VO dot add VO. Are you getting my point here, guys? That's good. Great. Yes, boss. Bean utils dot copy properties. List VO dot add VO. That's good. Great. Fantastic, guys. Yeah, we are ready with this. Now we can return that one or not there. Return, what is there? List entities or list VO now? VO only, not the entities. That's good. Great. Fantastic. Okay. So we are ready with this one. I think you enjoyed the logic. We are getting list of entities. We don't know method to copy list to list. That's why we have to get one by one. Bean to bean we have a method, but list to list we don't have methods. That's why each iteration we are getting one entity copying to what? VO. At the end all VOs are added to what? List view. Yeah, here is my controller class, guys. 1 minute in welcome.jsp. What is the URL I am taking? Report. So here also I have to take handler method having report only now, guys. Yeah, hyperlink generated request means a get mode request or post mode request. Get mode request only. Yeah, that's good. Public string string show report. Yeah, I get result, but this result I want to pass to view component. Then I must take shared memory now, guys. Shared memory best property is what? Yes, understood, guys. No form, nothing, no request parameter, empty request only. That's why no request param, no model attribute. It's empty request. At the rate get mapping, what is there? Slash report. At the rate get mapping, what is there, guys? Slash report. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. It's a regular one or not there? Okay, that's good. Java.util.map. Simply what I have taken here is what? Java.util.map. At the rate get mapping slash report. Okay, that's good. Cool. Yeah. Followed by that, what is the story, guys? Yeah. Use service. You have to think about how to use service. Tell me. List employee list VO is equal to employee VO list VO is equal to EMP service dot show all employees control plus shift plus O. That's good. Keep the result in model attribute. Map dot put. Okay. EMP's data are 1 minute. EMP's list view. Return logical view name. Return show underscore report. Return what? Show underscore report. Return show underscore report. Is that clear, guys? Understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Return show underscore report, guys. Yeah, this is my pages. This is my what? Welcome.jsp. Hmm. Employee operations controller. What controller, guys? Employee operation controller. Now, can we develop the show underscore report.jsp, guys? Go to pages folder. Here is what? JSP file. Here I am taking what, guys? Show underscore report.js. Say next, say finish. At the rate page, tell me. Is EL ignored is equal to false. At the rate page, is EL ignored is equal to false. That's great. Yeah, tell me next one. Is EL ignored is equal to false. But I have to import JSTL tag libraries also. At the rate tag lib. URI is equal to core. Prefix is equal to C. That's good. Here I will simply say color colon red, text hyphen align center. What is there, guys? Report to page. Color colon red, text hyphen align center. What is there? Report to page. What is the page I have to take, guys? Yeah, the page I have to take is what? Report page. That's good. Tell me, what is the next story to focus? C colon choose. Or I have to display the data na boss. Yeah, if condition, if else kind of, switch case kind of thing. C colon when test is equal to dollar. What is there? Not empty. What is the model attribute name? EMP's list. If it is not empty. If it is not empty, first of all, I have to create heading row, na table kind of thing. Table align is equal to center. BZ color is equal to cyan. Border is equal to 1. Border is equal to 1. In that TR heading row. In this heading row, TH employee number. This we have to repeat for multiple times for other columns. Paste, paste, paste. Yeah, tell me here, where is this employee name? Next, EMP address. Next, designation. Next, salary. Next, what salary? Gross. Next, next one. What salary? Nets. Yeah, we are ready with everything now, boss. Okay, heading row is ready. But are you happy with heading row? No. We have to display the table rows. Remaining things. Yeah, not if condition. Already we are checking not empty. C colon for each. For loop effect, guys. Where is equal to EM? Each iteration, one object is pointed by EMP or not there? Yeah. Items is equal to dollar floor bracket EMP's list. Yeah, each iteration EMP points to one element of list collection or not? Yes, under this, what is there? TR opening and closing. Each iteration one new row. There. TH opening, TH closing. Okay, fine. TD, table cell, na T. Catch. Yeah, what is there? EMP dot employee number. This you have to do for all columns or not there? emp dot, tell me, e name, am I right? emp dot e address, emp dot designation, emp dot salary. But the problem is we don't have data. First, you have to insert some dummy data and you have to check it. When I run the project, empty table is created. Go to that empty table, fill up some data. No option. Fill up some data. Okay. Then you start inserting no records. Otherwise, first time you will get empty table only, na? Yeah, tell me, nice boss. Yeah, we have to go for gross salary and net salary or not? Yeah, gross salary, net salary for each. Tell me next one. Yeah, C colon otherwise. C colon otherwise. Tell me. H1, where is this? Style, color colon red, text hyphen align center. What's there? Records not. What not found, guys? Records not found. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Fine, let's see. And let me add one home hyperlink at the end, guys. At the end of all this stuff, H1, okay, what is there? Style, text hyphen align. What is there, guys? What is there? href dot slash home. Other side, image src image slash home dot jpg. If you want, you can get the small image also. Width 40, height 60. I'm just trying to control width and height because I don't want bigger image, guys. I'm taking smaller image. That's good. Let's see. Right click, guys. I hope everything is perfectly there. Let's see. When you run, you will know, right? See, everything is a known fact only, na? This, see, collecting list of employee object, displaying as a table, we already done. Only the thing is, right now we are not hard coding data. We are collecting the data from database dynamically. We are seriously not hard coding data. We are collecting the data from database dynamically. Run on server. Tomcat 9. Say next. Say finish. Yeah, that's good. Generate report. Yeah, definitely you will get no records not found. Why? Because records are not there. Okay, what I do is I go to Oracle. I'll try to have few records in that. Actually, I have to provide add hyperlink, but right now I want to show the report, guys. Let me add some data explicitly. Anyhow, empty table is created. Let's put some data in that. We will get that data. Yeah. System, what is there? Tiger. System tiger. Yeah. JPA underscore. JPA underscore. MP underscore employee. Am I right? MP underscore employee. See, both metadata, all columns came or not there. Go to data tab, less plus symbol, employee number 100, active switch default is active, created by, generally it will have username numbers, created by generally will have what? Username, next designation, clerk, created, creation time. If you want, you can fill up, you can ignore it. Address Hyderabad, name Raja, salary some 90,000, updation time. Updated by, not updated right now. Okay, updation, okay, updation count 0. Updation count 0. Updated by, not updated, updation time also not there. If you want, you can have some creation time, guys, fine. Right now, that's not an issue. Okay, 101. Okay, by default, what, guys? Active. Filled by, no, this is metadata. What is there? Manager. Creation time, leave it. Hydra Vizag is there. What is there? Ramesh. What is this? 80,000. Updation count 0. Updated by, not there. This is not there. Let's confirm the record insertion. Okay, there are 2 records. Okay, now having those records, you observe the story. Having those records, you observe the story. Run on server, guys. Say next. Refresh, finish. Generate report, guys. Yes. We are getting perfect here or not there? Home. Home page is coming. That's right. This is happening or not there? Okay, now I want to add and edit and delete hyperlinks there, and here add home hyper, add employee hyperlink. Image is a home image is also coming nicely. Go to report page. Yeah, report page. Before home page, I would like to have what is that? Add employee hyperlink. H1 style align href. What is there? Add image. What is there? Add.jpg. Okay. Okay. Width some 70, height 90. Here also width some 70, height 90. Here is what? Add employee. That's the one thing, right? Yes. Okay. First you take one extra column in heading row. TH operations. Operations opening and what? Closing. Operations opening and closing. There. TD. Opening and what? Closing. Operations opening and closing. AHRF. What is there, guys? AHRF. Tell me, guys, what is the story to focus? AHRF. Edit. Edit question mark. NO is equal to dollar EMP dot employee number. Array, this has to carry current employee number as additional request parameter value or not? What is the name of the additional request parameter? NO. Okay. Super, guys. Here I want to display edit hyperlink with a small size because in the report page now, boss. A, okay, already there. Edit hyperlink. Image, SRC. What is there? Image slash edit.jpg. Width is equal to, what is equal to? 30 pixel. Height is equal to, what is there? 20 pixel. Smaller one I am taking. So let's maintain some gap between both the things. Yeah, where is this? Ampersand NBSP semicolon. Ampersand NBSP semicolon. Here is what? Delete. Yeah. Here is what, guys? Delete.jpg. What dot .jpg? Delete.jpg. That's great. Fine. So let me check whether it is really happening or not, guys. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish, save out. Right. We have generate report, guys. We are getting these hyperlinks or? Okay. View source. You go for view page source. We are getting them. We are getting them. Yeah. NO 100, 100. NO 101, 100. So they are carrying that employee related employee number along with request, along with hyperlink as additional request parameter value. Got it? Tell me. Everything we discussed, but we are just putting all things together. Right? Yes. Fine. Google Drive here. What's your batch code? 5th June is Varna? Yes. Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC. Yeah, what's the plan? Tomorrow 9 o'clock common topic, Sunday 7:15 a.m. common topic. Right. That is on Spring Boot security. Okay, please read and come. Already some introduction is happened on that. We are going to continue that. Okay. What is the session, guys? Yeah, here is 718. Spring Boot what? MVC. What's the project number? This. Okay. Sir, deleted videos folder. Okay, if anything is deleted, I will give later. Don't worry. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow for common topic. Monday onward, this session will continue. Tomorrow, no evening 7 session, only morning session. 9:15 a.m., 9:15 a.m. Clear? Got it? Yes. Thank you. I'll take the letter. Thank you.